Viewers, today you are going to learn how to set up Xfinity Gateway modem. So let's get started. First, take out the gateway, coaxial cable, power adapter and Ethernet cable from the box. Then connect the coaxial cable, plug one end into the wall cable outlet and plug the other end into the cable in port on the gateway. Once done, connect the power adapter to the gateway and plug it into an outlet and wait until the light stabilizes, indicating it's ready. Once ready, connect your device. Option 1, you can use an Ethernet cable to connect your computer to the gateway. And you can also choose option number 2, that is connect via Wi-Fi using the default SSID and password printed on the gateway's label. Now activate your gateway, then open a web browser and you will be redirected to the Xfinity activation page. Here follow the on-screen instructions to complete activation. You can also customize your Wi-Fi settings. For this, change your Wi-Fi name and password for security and easy access. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.